There's an excellent new book out by the lawyerist.com called The Small Law Firm Roadmap. And in it, the very first thing where they really talk about how do small and solo lawyers end up being that way. They give 5 paths for how solo and small law firms are started. The first one is default. There simply was no other option, and this is what happened, so they started a small firm. The second was plan B. So plan A is where things started, and then plan B is the default because plan A didn't work out. The third is entrepreneurship, setting out to start a firm, to be able to do this, starting from a vision and fulfilling that vision. The fourth is self-employment, deliberately. So didn't really want to work for somebody else. So this was kind of the next best thing. And then the fifth way was really through legacy. It's just following in the footsteps of others that have come before in their family. So that's really how small law firms come to be. The other thing that's very interesting to study is the roles that the lawyer plays in the firm. And the first one is as the visionary, having this vision of what they wanted to accomplish and how they wanted to accomplish it. The second is the firm manager. And so this is really more of an operator, the COO. So they're the person who makes sure the trains run on time, that the right people get hired, the operational aspects of things. And the third, obviously, really it makes sense, is the legal technician or the legal expert. So the roles that a lawyer will play in the firm is some combination, and it's not binary, some combination of visionary or operator or technician. One of the big challenges that we see working with hundreds of law firms across the country is this pull, this challenge between being a great lawyer and being a business owner or operator of a law practice. And even the word entrepreneur, some people bridle at that as that just can't be. I'm a lawyer, not an entrepreneur. And whether you see yourself as a visionary entrepreneur or whether you see yourself as really a great legal technician that is building a business, it's very important. You don't actually have to be an entrepreneur, but you do need to be able to be entrepreneurial. And you need to be able to adapt and be creative and to be able to look at your firm, your professional practice as a business, because it is a business. And even though in your heart of hearts, you may feel like I am way more of a lawyer than I am a business owner or business builder or even entrepreneur, you still have to be able to look at your firm and be able to figure out, how do I serve others? How do I be creative? How do I adapt to the business environment, the financial revenues and profitability, and building value in the firm long term? A lot of decisions that need to be made. Do you take more money out of the firm now and you take that money out to be a wealth vehicle, investing outside of the firm, or is the firm itself a wealth vehicle? So there are a lot of different components to this. And what we really want to help you do is be able to identify there's no right or wrong. This isn't binary, but there are elements of all of these things, of the visionary, of the visionary entrepreneur, the technician, the legal technician, the practice, talent, skills, the deep expertise and knowledge of the law and applied to specific situations, and then the operation of the firm. And all of these things have to meld together in a way that you can understand as you have financial and fiscal responsibility, fiduciary responsibility to the people that are part of your firm, as well as to your clients. And in this role, to be able to really understand how you fit in and how accounting can help you optimize, to be able to align and calibrate and coordinate your vision for what you got into the law in the first place, your vision, your mission, your goals and your ambition, and how those all come together and can flow through and the focal point of your accounting. Because optimized accounting is an optimized business. Suboptimal accounting, well, it's a suboptimal business. And if we're talking about trust accounting, suboptimal trust accounting, that means that you're in big trouble. So we want to stay far away from suboptimal when it comes to accounting, and especially in trust accounting. But you can optimize and you can really, again, align and calibrate and coordinate everything that you set out to do in your firm through dynamic guidance accounting, so that you can, again, align and calibrate and coordinate what's really important to you through the lens and the focal point of your accounting, not to just help you look back in compliance and how you did, but looking forward to exactly where you want to go. Thank you.